Welcome Persians, let's learn Algebra 2 and our topic for Algebra 2 now is sequences. Good day, I am Engineer Melvin John H. Banzuelo. So problem number 1 with the sequences. Find the sum of the first 5 terms in the sequence whose general term is 2 raised to n minus 1. So with this problem, we will use calculator in order for us to solve the sum of the first 5 terms. So using the calculator, so yung given, i-input natin dito sa calculator. So yung gagamitin natin yung summation symbol. But walang n dito sa calculator. Kaya tingnan natin A, B, C, D, E, F, X, Y, M. So instead of using n, kasi nga sa given is naka-n, gawin natin yung n as x na lang. Okay, so let's press shift, yon shift, then itong lag para lalabas itong summation na symbol. And then copy lang natin yung nasa given, yan, raised to n, but instead of n, x na lang yung gagamitin natin, and then minus 1. Okay? And ang sabi sa problem, sum of first 5 terms, so 1 up to 5. Okay? Pero pag sinabing sum of first 4 terms, 1 to 4. Pero again, balik tayo sa problem, ang sabi po is sum of 5 terms. So balik po natin yan sa 5. Yun lang. And then press equal. So yung sagot is 31 yung sagot. Problem number 2. Determine the sum of the first 4 terms of the sequence whose general term is given by 3 raised to n minus 2. So again, using calculator, and instead of using n, kasi nga walang n sa calcio, we use x sa variable. So again, ang gagamitin natin dito is shift lag pa rin. Yung shift lag, yun po yung summation. So shift, and then lag, and then copy natin sa given. Yung given is 3 raised to n. No, 3 raised to x. Okay? Or kasi nga wala namang n dito sa calcio, we will use x and then minus 2. Okay? Ang sabi sa problem, first 4 terms, so this is from 1, that is the lower limit, and then the upper limit is 4. Okay? So yun lang, and then press equal. Press an equal, the correct answer is 112. Okay? 112 po yung correct answer. Problem number 3, determine the fifth term of the sequence whose sum of the n terms is given by 2 raised to n plus 3 minus 5. Take note of this. Yung given na equation is hindi po siya nth term. Ulitin ko po. Hindi po ito siya pang nth term na formula. Okay? Yung common kasi natin, nth term na formula. So, ito ay sum of n terms. Again, ulitin ko, these are sum of n terms po itong 2 raised to n plus 3 minus 5. So, yung tinatanong dito, class, is yung fifth term. So, para makuha natin yung fifth term, is gamit ang equation na to, is kukunin natin yung sum of first 5 terms. Okay? So, yung sum of first 5 terms, from the first term up to fifth term po yun siya, minus the sum of the first 4 terms. Kasi ang maiiwan po doon is yung fifth term na po mismo. Okay? So, ito po siya yung given, Sn as sum of n terms equals to 2 raised to n plus 3 minus 5. So, ito yung sum of n terms natin. So, halimbawa, if n equals to 1, sum of 1 term. If n equals to 2, that is the sum of 2 terms. So, yung Sn na yan also equals to A1 plus A2 plus A3 and so on up to An. Okay? So, yan yung Sn natin. So, therefore, when we say S5. So, ang S5 is from A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus A4 plus hanggang A5. Okay? So, kasali yung A1, A2, A3, A4 hanggang A5. So, yan yung ibig sabihin ng sum of first 5 terms. So, therefore, yung sum of first 4 terms ay A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus A4. In which itong A1 to A4 present sa S5 natin. So, it means, ika-cancel natin yon para yung maiwan is A5 na lang. So, para mangyari po yon, A5 equals to S5 minus S4 para makuha po talaga natin yung fifth term. Okay? So, substitute na natin. Ito yung given, 2 raised to n plus 3 minus 5. So, yung n natin is 5. So, 2 raised to 5 plus 3 minus 5 minus 2 raised to 4 plus 3 minus 5. Okay? So, evaluate natin. You can use your calculator. Pwede lang din hindi. So, yung answer natin dyan is letter D, 158. Okay? So, letter D po yung correct answer. Okay, so I think that's all for Algebra 2 sequences. Again, for more practice, get your app, your PMM app, your Passers Mastery Module app. Okay, and then choose Algebra. Okay, so you can choose section 1.1, 1.2 for the sequences or the progression. So again, thank you and have a nice day.